Before you begin, make sure the area is clear of debris. For curbless installation, make sure to recess the subfloor so it is even with the floor joist. Lay a bead of subfloor adhesive on top of the blocking. Then, install the plywood subfloor. Secure with nails. Next, drill a 3-inch hole at the drain location. First, remove screws and adjustment panel from WallDrain. Measure from the wall to the center of the drain and measure the overall shower width. Record these measurements to modify the vertical installation panel. Mark and cut vertical installation panel to fit. Then, connect the drain to the waste pipe with approved 2-band coupling. Slide the drain body into place. Secure the vertical installation panel to the framing. Next, install included 1-inch furring strips. Then install the backer board 8.5 inches above the horizontal flange of the drain over the vertical installation panel and furring strips using 2.5-inch screws. First, set quick slope panels in place. Mark and cut to size. Then, dry fit into place. Make sure the area is clear of debris. Next, using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square notched trowel, put down a layer of modified or rapid set thinset. Set quick slope panels in place. Press down firmly into place. Walk on the panels to fully embed into the thinset. Next, put down a layer of thinset on the exterior of shower footprint. Then, put down a layer of cement board to match the elevation of the quick slope shower panels. Press firmly into place. Walk on to fully embed into the thinset. Secure with approved fasteners per the cement board manufacturer. Prep the drain by removing tape. And thoroughly cleaning the flange with Hercules for hands, acetone, or goof-off, remove all residue. When installing transition tape, overlap flange by 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch onto stainless steel and 1.5 inches over the fabric at the ends. Begin by applying liquid waterproofing on vertical installation panels and shower floor. overlapping the foam insert. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to the inside and outside corners. Then place included non-woven inside corners into the waterproofing while it is still wet. Place reinforcement fabric into the liquid waterproofing. Reinforcement fabric is to be used at all vertical and horizontal transitions, and all seams in PET quick slope panels. Then, apply liquid waterproofing to the wall and floor transitions and over the seam of the rear wall. Finally, apply a coat of liquid waterproofing over the entire shower pan and vertical installation panel, and let it cure. Start by measuring the width for the adjustment panel. Cut adjustment panel to size. Be sure to cut from one side to maximize magnet placement. Then, place it on top of the foam insert. After making sure it is level, install provided screws in tile edging along with water-resistant screws into the framing. Next, apply liquid waterproofing to the height adjustment panel and wallboard and install reinforcement fabric at the horizontal joint. Finally, cut the liquid waterproofing at the edge of the foam and remove the insert. First, measure the distance between the walls and the ends of the trough. Next, cut the extensions to the length you just measured. Turn over the extensions and put a strip of transition tape on the back side of each. Install trough extension so the end at the drain is flush with the drain body. Next, set the tiles on the floor and let it set up before working on it. Measure the distance for the cover. Important, be sure to deduct wall tile thickness on each side. After cutting tile-in cover to correct size, place standoffs on either end. Place tile-in cover into position. Loosen the screws on the adjustment panel. Let the tile edging drop all the way down onto the top of the tile-in cover. Retighten the screws. Remove the tile-in cover and set the tiles on all walls. Then, replace the tile-in cover into position. Place magnets into the tile-in cover. Then, adhere the transition tape over the magnets, making sure all magnets are fully covered. The transition tape must extend fully across the tile-in cover. Set tiles in the tile-in cover. Finally, remove the tile-in cover, then grout and caulk the entire shower.